see the lightning.
Lightning. Alright. Alright, guys. We're crazy being out here.
Wait, here we go. Wait. You want to hold it where they can see? Okay. So, here we are in the back of Jean Lafitte doing a ghost box session at this haunted tree. That's our car back there. There's
supposed to be haunted.
There's a Native American Indian that was buried live under this tree years ago, centuries ago. I grew up out here, and we're about to see what we can get. It's about to storm, and we're getting our asses eaten up by mosquitoes. But oh well, let's do it.
Girl, these bugs are fucking us up.
All right, which one are you holding, the camera or the box?
I'm not going closer. They got fucking spiders hanging off this tree.
Oh, stop like that. I'll go closer. The Native American Indian out here tonight. Is it true?
Alright.
Is it true that if we park our car under this tree after midnight, you'll chop off our heads? Obviously, but I parked my car under this tree many times and nothing happened.
Let him talk. Who's?
All they see is darkness. And then they see some coming. Fuck.
These fucking bugs are.
It is the back of the feet.
Here, I'm going to the car. You can take me. You can hold it.
The fuck?
Fuck that. They fucking biting the fuck out of me. There comes the car.
Ah, they're gonna think I'm broken down. Motherfucker. It said he's there.
He's there?
Yes.
It said he's there?
Can y'all see that? She's in her freaking car.
Fucking bugs are out here killing us, man.
I'm going. All right, while she's in the car, I'm gonna see what I can catch by this tree. Thanks. You turn the brights on so we can kind of see. It's a little dangerous. They have water moccasins out here. They have alligators out here. We have banana spiders hanging off the tree, but fuck it, let's do it. Is there any spirits that are around me that like to communicate through this box tonight? Can you hear the storm coming? Look how dark it is. How did you die? My name is Leslie. I am clairaudience. You can tell your story through me. All you have to do is channel your energy through my body, and I can hear you. Go away. I will not go away. Not sure if you guys can see the lightning. That's Rhonda. She's coming in the car. She doesn't like bugs and snakes. was a little scared outdoors, but what was that voice that just came through? You didn't sound too friendly. What else is out here? I heard whistling. Rhonda and I are the only people out here, and I heard whistling like right in front of me. Rhonda! You didn't whistle, did you? From right in front of me. Who just whistled? I'm out here by myself in the dark. Show yourself. Throw a rock. Move the tree branches.
Is it that?
You're getting bit the fuck up. I'm not afraid. Yeah, I know. Hold on, I'm putting this down for a second. We got a big ass truck coming, hold on. Because where we're at, there's no street lights at all. And if you stop your car on the side of the road, people are gonna think that your car is broken down. The last thing I need is to get fucking thrown into the swamp that we're at. The thunder just became louder. This is creepy but awesome.
There we go.
Are there any spirits around us that like to communicate? Ah! Getting torn the fuck up. I found a way. Well, hold on, I have to put the phone down. Hold up. Trying to fix my sleeves.
Can I get up?
What are they saying? You heard whistling?
I did. Like,
That way?
yes, and a man.
A man.
Like a man.
A man on here talking?
No, not on the spirit box with my ears, and I would run up to it if I wasn't getting bit up.
Where'd you hear the man from? Coming that way?
You see over there where that reflector's at?
Yeah. What happened?
That right there in the background? I heard him whistling. And that's nothing but swamp. You want me to show you?
What?
That's nothing but swamp over there. This is a nature trail. There's no fucking way a person would be over there.
No.
Let's just wait till midnight.
Sounds good. I was judging.
That looks so fucking creepy with the smoke right there in front of the lights.
Universe.
Who's watching?
See it.
I don't know. I can't see him. Stuck in my hand. I got bit up.
What?
Something just fucking flew down. You didn't see that shit? Look.
Tammy. Can't see nothing. Sorry,
Can
Al.
you please give us a sign that you're here?
I want him to hear the box.
I want to see something. What did you say? We heard something. White people?
Nice white people are nice people.
White people. That's what I say. It's mocking me. I always say white people. White people. What happened to you? How did you die?
Hold the box. I want to keep that by it so they can hear.
Let's walk up to where we heard the whistle. Well, I heard the whistle.
I'm not walking way over there.
You're not going to get bit?
I'm not walking way over there. I want to be able to run back to my car if something fucking comes after us.
I'm not worried about the animals. It's the fucking
Oh, I'm worried about
people.
coyotes.
There's no coyotes out here.
Okay.
You hear the thunder?
What?
Who's here with us? I feel you. Who? Did you realize how fucking dark it just became? Look behind you.
It was that dark already.
My name.
No, it wasn't.
Listen, my name. Give me this. Motherfucker.
You're getting bit up.
You running away with it. We got them here so they can hear. Listen. What's your name?
Female came on.
Who's the female? What's your name?
Because the
What are you doing around here? Did you die around here? That was a kid. A kid.
All right, who's the kid?
Ooh, look at the lightning.
Ooh, cars.
Ooh, so?
Girl, man, I'm to kidnap me, girl. Me little small. That's the only thing I'm worried about.
They probably think we crazy bitches out here.
We are, but that's what makes us us. Who are you? That's what it says. Who are you? At least it's starting to rain, so the mosquitoes gonna go away. At least my
could have.
We know you're out here.
Trying to let y'all hear. Yes. Who's the female? Why can't you tell us who you are?
Are we safe
Are we in any danger out here? We will. Thanks, Tammy. These people passing, I know they fucking saying we so stupid. Out in the middle of nowhere. Fucking hunting ghosts. And I feel so sick, y'all. She told me to drink fucking apple cider vinegar, and I took 3 big swigs, and now I want to throw up. Listen. We can't. They can't see that tree. Ooh.
What's that big black thing that's around us?
Virus going around. I'm sure.
Years.
I'm sure. I want to know your name. Give me your name.
Like
They're not talking no more. What? Oh. Probably my dogs. My dogs stay with me. Listen. They're saying something. I can't. We're gonna have to go back and listen to this to see what they're saying. I wish y'all could see all these bugs that's all around us. They freaking everywhere. I think we're gonna go home and finish this in my backyard. Why wait? Y'all not talking. Can y'all say one of our names? I knew he was gonna call. Oh, I feel sick.
Alright, so her husband just called. We're gonna finish this by her house in the backyard.
Yeah, just give me a few minutes. I'll be back on in a few, y'all.
Good night.